Demonstrate native SOAR features. Exabeam has a full-featured SOAR product that's tied into our case management experience. So here I'm looking at a particular case related to malicious IP detection via threat intel. And where the SOAR really comes into play is in the workbench. So if I go into my workbench, I can see I actually already had a particular playbook execute, which was getting the reputation from VirusTotal. So some playbooks will automatically trigger when cases are created. If I wanted to run additional automation, I can run individual actions. So I could say I want to check threat reputation from some other particular action or some other service if I wanted to. So this is where I run individual APIs or actions, or I could run a full-fledged playbook. So Exabeam ships with various different playbooks out of the box, like our threat intelligence lookup here. And this is powered by Recorded Future and OEM. So again, I can go ahead and run this, and it will start to then run the different actions as part of this playbook, and I can see each of the actions that runs and the playbook that triggered, and I can see I get a reputation of a recent honeypot sighting from this particular playbook, as well as not only did it tell me about the automation or the reputation, it also auto reprioritized my particular case. So this is how you actually run these actions. You can automatically trigger them or run them individually. These are all managed in the playbook editor as well. So if I come into my threat reputation, threat intelligence playbook, I can come in and open this up. We have a full robust kind of no code playbook editor, very much drag and drop style. So I can drag this and add additional actions or decisions. From any one of these, I can click on it. I can see what service is being used. This is our turnkey. So these are the playbooks that we ship out of the box free of charge. This is getting an IP reputation. This is powered by that Recorded Future OEM, and I'm using the input of the device entity's IP address. As I mentioned, you can add playbook triggers and set conditional logic on when I want this playbook to run. Like when the incident is created, I automatically want to run this playbook. And then I can go ahead and save these playbooks out. So full-fledged SOAR capability, a lot of pre-built integrations. So if I come into my services in the settings here, I can see all of the pre-built service integrations that we have across all of these various vendors. For any given vendor, I can go ahead and I can hover over and I can start to see those services and actions that are pre-built into Exabeam and start to configure those and use these in the SOAR platform.